This video tutorial will teach you how to create and drop a database in SQL Server. Open SQL Server Management Studio and connect to the SQL Server instance where you want to create the database. To create a database using a SQL script, you can use the following syntax. Create database, then name database you choose, should be not exist. Database is created completed. Now to drop a database using SQL script, you can use the following syntax. Drop database, then name database you used. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel.